Welcome to Hasta Creations. In this video I'll show you how to make the wick for oil lamp. For this we need cotton or cotton balls. This is limestone powder. This is any oil. I'm using olive oil, lighter, and this is in silver. I'll show you. This is just a plate with some depth, and on that we keep these two. These two are small oil lamp holding pots, you can say, or vessel. So they have little depth here so that they can take some oil when we put the wick and oil. So let us start. So I'm going to take some cotton. Okay, so I'm going to take out layer by layer like this and put one above the other and use this. So I will make it thin like this, thin cotton wick. What I do, I'll just take out, pull it together. So just twist it. Now I'm going to take this part, put it into a round shape, like put the remaining onto this part. In between I have to use the limestone powder so that I can make the cotton stick together and make like a wick. So I'm going to keep on pulling thin pieces of cotton in between, using this and adding on to this part, thin part, so like that, little by little. So I have made one. I can use a little more limestone powder. Okay, so I'm going to make the second one. So I have made two. So I can add some more here. This, make it longer to match with that. So these two will go together, and like this I had to make two more. So these are the ones I showed you in the beginning, two together. So I have made two more like this. So let us put on to this two together, two each. Like this. So then first we can dip these two together in oil. So I have dipped in oil. So I can put some more on it. So I'll dip these two also in oil. So I'll put some more oil into this. So this is ready for lighting. I'm using the lighter, so like this. So I'm going to use this one to light the other one, or I can use lighter itself. So my lamp is ready. So in India, when we do some during some festivals, we do some puja or worship. When we worship, so we do like this with some water, turmeric, and rice grains. We do like this. So this is how it looks. Thanks for watching.